Round 4, St. Paul RV show here. So, is it the 15th? I think it is. I think it is. Yep. January 1st, round 4. Let's go look over here. Not bad. It's my familiar layout. For family of 4. Bathroom. Not bad for 12 grand. Not bad at all. It's a nice one. One thing I like about this one, when I saw, is like I said, my storage area right in there would be perfect. So this one would be my favorite so far. I'll just say, listen, take all that out, all my stuff in there, and put a door on there or something that you can put all your stuff in. So I kind of like this one. I like this layout. TV probably is somewhere. I don't know where they put it. Might be up in here or something. But not bad at all. I like this one. Kind of cool. For only 12 grand. It's a nice one. I like this one. You can pull this one. I like it. The Jayco. William J Flight. Oh, nice. I like this one. Very nice. I like it.
Like, it's very weird because my name is the feminine to Brian. Yeah.
So here we got Hilton camera. It's kind of a different color. What is it, Salem? Not bad. Not bad. You got the kids. You can sleep in there. Got a nice bathroom. Nice. Very nice. This one is $27,000. I like it. Obviously got your TV right here. You can sit down here with the family and you can watch who you need to watch. I like the couch. Nice. Not bad. Heck yeah. Nice layout, open. But like I said, I'll tell you 10 times on these RV videos, before it leaves the lot, get looked at. Go listen to Liz Amazing. She doesn't screw around with that behavior. Too many people spending $100,000, $1 million on something doesn't want to work. It just pisses me off. Oh, she's one of my favorite. But you get looked at. I like it. The bigger these things get, the more problems I have, in my mind. But you want to make sure it doesn't leak. Solid. So first 5 days after the weekend are the best, are the worst. I like it. All right. Over here. You buy some good used ones too as well, but if you buy a new one, if you know what you're looking for, how to handle it. So it's nice storage area in there. TV, perfect. Yeah, because now you can take the music out, and you don't have to worry about getting the sharing the. It's not a strike. It's just a strike that you have to share without making any money. But point is, you can take that out now, which I like. If I was a single man, I'm 40 years old. Yeah, I'd buy a RV. I think this one's kind of cool. Very nice. And hey, there's my storage area, right there. And I could put my golf clubs up here, so I'd leave that probably. Put my bike in there, and golf clubs, and maybe things up here. So that'd be I'd keep that. I liked it. I liked that a lot. And then you can sit over here probably if you wanted to, I guess. I don't know why. What's over here? TV? Maybe? I guess. I don't know. But I kind of like this one. What is it? 31,000? I don't know. Interesting. You might keep that for somebody else, I guess, probably, if you want to have some along with you. But you can use this for your storage area. So I'd probably take that out, or keep it in, whatever, but storage area. I like it. Not bad. Not bad at all. Nice shower in the shower, like the storage area. King size, nice. So yeah, not bad at all. I like this one. Really nice, really kind of cool. So, it's 2 inches for you. Yes, I like it. Since 1951, Hilltop camper. Look at this big pig. Jesus. He's huge. Now you get into some fifth wheels here. Bad boy. You get these fifth wheels are just someplace that you're buying and you're dropping it, like in Quartzsite or someplace for a long time, and I get it. I understand that, but when you spend $100,000 on something, you better. This one's $30,000. No hidden fees, tactile license, and dock fees are in closing. Okay, not bad. Do you have a shower? Couch to watch TV? Your workbench? Perfect. Not bad at all. I like it. Not bad. So, interesting. Nice for 29 grand. Not bad. No. This big pig right here, 44. Is $110,000. You get this thing looked at for everything else. It's huge. There's your little grill right here. That's nice. Yeah. Trying to buy a new one. I get it. There you go. That's a nice one. Got the couch right here. You can watch TV. You can sit right here. I kind of like that. Kind of like it. They have this one is 27,000. You know, it all depends what you're looking for. The layout. Shower's nice. You got storage area. All kinds of good stuff in here. But yeah, not bad. I kind of like it. I like that. I like this table. Something new. Sit there and watch TV. You got everything all you need. I like it. It's my top 3. It's very, very nice. I like that something different. You can look out to your friends. What the hell, right? Hey, how you doing? What's going on? Oh, yeah, that's bad at all. It's 58,000. It's a big one. 20,000. Oh, interesting. Let's see this one. Very nice. There's my storage area again. Take the bottom bed out, and then you can use that for up there. But got the couch right here. I don't know if you have a TV somewhere. Maybe it comes down from somewhere, but not bad. I like it. Then for me, a storage area, perfect. Nice walk-in shower. It's nice, but not bad. Sleeps 33,000. Interesting. Okay. But like I said, you guys get it looked at before it leaves the shop. I'll say it over and over again. Here's a small one over here. He's trying to sell him a camper. 18,000. Let's take a look, shall we? Have a nice one. Not bad at all. Well, I like it so far. Very nice. I love this one. This is nice. So far, oops. I likey. I like it. I like this nice big bed. You've got your cooking right here. Sit with your loved ones if you want. Nice big bed. Obviously, I'm a big golfer. You probably have to find a way to store some stuff in here. Your bike. No one steals it, but I just put it in here when you're traveling, lock it down or something like that, and golf clubs. But yeah, not too bad of a shower. But for the price, 18 grand, I'd do it. I think you could put your golf clubs in here and your bike in here. You know, I'm a big golfer, big biker. You know, obviously put a thing in here, so it's nice. Not bad for 18 grand. Still saving. Rebate ends January 18th. Okay, okay. I'm gonna try to shove it down your throat. That's a kind of a, it was $15,000 rebate on it. Very nice. I like it. The bed. I don't like like I said, I don't like those stairs when you gotta walk up the stairs. I don't like it at all when you walk up there. Sucks. But trying a different little connection for the microphone. We'll see if it's a little louder this time. But looking forward to going to the sports show. That's pretty fun. I like that. Anyways, guys, we'll go back into here. And then you got your bathroom right here. This is nice back in here. This is a nice storage area. I mean, you can take this out, and if you have someone that wants to come along with you, they can sleep there if they want. But I'd put my bike and all my stuff in here. That's why I have everything. So all about having a place to put stuff when you're traveling. So not bad. Not bad at all. I kind of like it. There's a dinner table. You can sit around, watch the TV, wherever they have it at. TV's right there, and have at it. So, all right. So anyways, guys, see you in the next one.